Hello, welcome to my tutorial on C#. So I'm going to go through the program and explain what I did right here. And this is the final output of my program. So in the first line, I've initialized this is a short phrase to phrase variable with a string type, and the sentence variable has been initialized to this is another sentence. And now console.writeLine parenthesis phrase is the output, will output the string variable phrase, just like another write line with the parenthesis sentence, we output another string variable sentence. And if we run the program again, and let me use the comments. What I'm doing is just commenting my program. If I run again, we should see these two outputs or my two string are variable. Okay, now the next program here, or the few lines here, this is the replace function that have words value and characters value as two arguments. And what it's supposed to do is to replace the value words to characters. So in the output you should see this is short. Maybe I made a mistake right here. Okay, this should be phrase, replace phrase with sentence. This is supposed to be different. And again, this value supposed to be the sentence value. And okay, what should we put right here? Passphrase. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen, the outputs. Okay, that's just the outputs of my first console write line. If I write another one, we should see 4 outputs. Okay, and you see my first 2 outputs here. This is short phrase right here, which is the value of phrase. And then this is another sentence, which is a value of the sentence variable. Now the next 2 lines will show different value of phrase and sentence, just because we replace we did some change with the replace function. Now you see the sentence are different here. This is a short sentence, this is another passphrase. Okay, now for the next line of code, if I just recommend my codes, we have I'm showing you right here, it's a color change in backgrounds. So we're going to change the background of each string, each variable string, by replacing the default background with a specific background. For example, the phrase string variable, we have a background of white, a white background, but its foreground, which is the color of the or the color of the letter will be in red. So if we okay, I think I made a bomber here. This, yeah, oh, okay, I think that's right. Yeah, okay, so it's working. And if we change the background's color to maybe red and blue, the foreground's to blue, it should look a bit more different. Yeah, should be. The reason why the other lines are colored is because we haven't reset the value of both colors. So we are going to do it right now. Maybe console.reset colors. So we call the reset color function, and it should go back to its default color. So I think this is it. My next video, I'm going to go over the rest of the codes.